Let's consider the following problem. We have vector A with coordinates 3, 2, and vector B with coordinates minus 2, 3. And we would like to draw a vector 2A minus half B. I already draw vector A, it's a red vector, and vector B, that is blue vector. Now, to do what we want to do, we need to make vector 2A, which is basically doubling vector A, twice its sides, same direction. So let's change the color and let's make it, let's say, orange. So it's going to be a vector that is same way as the original one, but double the size, right? Okay. Yeah, like this, okay? So the next thing we need to do, we need to get a vector half b. We have full b vector. Half b vector is a half size of that vector. So I'm going to make it, let's say, light blue. And that's going to be a vector which goes just up to this point, okay? So, and the next thing we need to do, we need to subtract the light blue vector from the orange vector. And the way we do it, let's make it green. That's the vector that connects the ends of those two vectors and goes towards the orange vector, okay? That's the vector we're looking for. It's 2a minus half b. Now, let's plot the same vector but a little bit differently. So instead of plotting 2a, plotting half b, and then subtracting one from another one, what we're going to do, we're going to plot 2a plus minus half b vector, okay? Let's do a vector like this. So in this case, we need to get a vector minus half b. We have vector half b. We need minus half b. Minus half b is a vector that is opposite of vector half b. So pointing in the other direction. Same length, pointing in the other direction. So it's something like this, okay? Just make it better, okay? Like this. But now, so this purple vector is minus half b, but now we need to add 2a in minus half b. So add this purple and orange vectors. The way we do it, since they're both coming from the same point, we're gonna have to create a rectangle, a parallelogram, not a rectangle necessarily, and then draw a diagonal. So let me start with rectangle, parallelogram. Okay, not a very good one. Like this, like this, okay. So, and now we're gonna draw diagonal like this, okay. And that angle is also 2a minus half b. So both green angles, green vectors, they're pointing in the same direction, they have the same length, and they have the same coordinates, so they're the same vectors. All right, two ways how to draw the same vector. All right.